In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Ticktick using Zapier. This process will help you seamlessly integrate these tools, allowing you to manage your calendar and tasks more effectively. We'll guide you through this setup step by step, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a fantastic automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services to automate repetitive tasks. Once you're on Zapier's homepage, locate the Create button in the main menu and give it a click. This will take you to the section where you can start building what's called a Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow. Next, you'll want to click on Zaps from the side menu to begin crafting your custom task automation. A Zap requires both a trigger and an action, and we're going to set these up together. Start by clicking on Trigger, which is the event that will start your workflow. In this case, we'll be using Google Calendar as our trigger application. Choose Google Calendar and then click on it. Once selected, you'll need to specify which action in Google Calendar will serve as the trigger. Here, you can choose something like New Event. This means each time a new event is created in your Google Calendar, it will set off the automation. Now we move on to the action part, which is what you want to happen after the trigger occurs. Click on Action and type in Ticktick in the search bar. This allows you to select Ticktick as the application that responds to your trigger. When you click on Ticktick, a new window will appear where you can select what action you want to take. Here, choose Add Task, so anytime a new Google Calendar event is created, a corresponding task will be added to your Ticktick. It's important to make sure that you are signed into both your Google Calendar and Ticktick accounts within Zapier. If not, click Sign In and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once your accounts are connected, it's a good idea to test your Zap to verify that everything is working smoothly. Do so by clicking on the Test button, and Zapier will check if your Zap is set up correctly. Finally, if the test is successful, you're ready to make your Zap live. Go ahead and click Publish. Your new Zap is now active, and you've successfully connected Google Calendar to Ticktick through Zapier. Now, whenever you add a new event in Google Calendar, it will automatically become a task in Ticktick, streamlining your productivity. And that's it. You've just automated a repetitive task, making your workflow more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy leveraging the power of Zapier to enhance your productivity toolkit.